The streets of the Mexican capital are returning to their usual hustle and bustle. An easing of coronavirus restrictions is allowing many people to return to work. Since the start of the health emergency, Mexico's economy has been battered, leaving millions in dire straits.
I have to support the children and support the son-in-laws, and most of all the grandchildren. It's chaos. Then there's not even enough to eat. I mean it. It is very difficult for us.
Because of the state of the economy, we can't just stay home. We have to keep moving. But people who go out and aren't careful, they go to parties or gatherings when they know they shouldn't. That's unacceptable. I do not agree with that.
After more than 2 weeks since testing positive for COVID-19, Mexico's president, Andrés Manuel López Obrador, has resumed his daily press conferences. The president has been criticized for downplaying the severity of the outbreak and for almost never wearing a mask in public.
Why did I get infected? Because like millions of other Mexicans, I have to go to work. Fortunately, I got through it, and here we are, still fighting.
Mexico's government has struggled to curb coronavirus contagion. Even under orders to shut down non-essential services, coronavirus cases have continued to spike. Much of the pressure to lift the most recent lockdown has been led by restaurant owners. Mexico's food service industry has been among the worst hit by the economic downturn. An agreement between business owners and city officials means restaurants have expanded their hours of operations, though new sanitation measures only allow for outdoor seating to reduce the risk of contagion. Those facing the highest risks, however, are the country's nearly 30 million informal sector workers, caught in a country where the coronavirus pandemic has forced people indoors and an economic crisis that's left them no option but to take to the streets in search of work. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.